How to do storytelling using ChatGPT. So, first, you need to start with a clear objective. Don't just type, give me a story idea. Instead, start with something like, I'm writing a genre of a story. I want to explore the theme, then type the theme here, then give me 5 high concept ideas that use a trope or structure. Use this AI prompt to help you out. Then you want to have characters that don't feel like cardboard. ChatGPT can actually create characters with layers, but only if you feed it specifically. So just use this prompt or the AI prompt to help you out. Write in your prompt by simply typing write a character profile for a protagonist or antagonist who is basic premise here, including the motivations, the flaws, the backstory, strengths, fears, and their internal conflicts. And if you want help mapping those out, just try the ultimate character builder on Storyflint. Then you want to have world building with depth and not just vibes. So ChatGPT can help flesh out your world from societal systems to underground the mushroom economies. It just needs some context. So use this AI prompt when you want to ask ChatGPT. So simply just type, help me build a general world that includes a unique political structure, environmental challenge, social norm, and how each affects the daily lives of the people. So here, you can add politics. You can also use Notion to keep your world building ideas if you want to generate in one organized place. Then you want to plot structures you can actually write from. So basically, the structure matters and helps both you and ChatGPT keep the story on track. So just use this prompt using the save.cat structure and follow this prompt right here. Then you can build this outline inside the Storyteller OS as well. Then next is you want to have theme threads that actually go somewhere. So themes shouldn't just pop up in your book like surprise party guests. ChatGPT can help you weave themes into your character, setting, and the plot. So just follow this prompt right here and input the details. Then lastly is for best practices for prompting ChatGPT. You need to be specific but not restrictive. Give the genre, the tone, existing details, and the kind of output you want. You can use constraints like limit the word counts or format types, be iterate by using responses as springboards and not blueprints. Treat it like a writer's room and not a crystal ball, because it's there to bounce ideas with you and not hand you a masterpiece. So that's how you can basically do storytelling with ChatGPT. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.